Hello, welcome back to my channel, Natalie Colbert Art. Today we're doing the second one in a series of encaustic pouring. Yes, you heard right, encaustic pouring, not acrylic pouring. So the first one I did, you can, if you haven't seen it, please go check that out and then watch this one, because it gives you a little more information on how I did it. So first I'm going to put a layer of clear encaustic on my board, wood cradle board, with white acrylic paint on. You can put, of course, white encaustic on it, but I don't have a lot of white. This is why I'm doing it this way. Let's just give something to get the paint, the encaustic to adhere to. Can't talk today. And what I'm going to do actually right now, before I go any further after this, I'm going to tape down the sides so I don't have to scrape it off after, because the encaustic doesn't really flow very well on the sides like acrylic does, because it gets hard. I know there's a technical word for it, but I don't remember. See, it's really, it goes so fast, thickens so fast. Anyway, before I fuse, I'm going to put some tape on here. So, okay, so I taped it up on the sides, and now I'm going to fuse. Last time I put it all in this cup here. You can't, I think you might be able to see it, but I don't know. I think this time I'm just going to drop it right in there. Starting with some pink. And some dark red. Oopsie, sorry, my head. And some orange. I can get it out. Obviously it's better to have, as I said before, all these little like glass or even just little mini aluminum containers. Ooh, it looks delicious, doesn't it? And now some white. Okay. Oops, and be careful when you spill that, it's hot. And you blow it. It's now on my eyebrows, it's not that hot, but anyway, be careful. So because, and I'm going to put a little bit of this stuff in it too, it's ink. The orange one. Okay, let's move that out of the way. I don't want to have ink around when it's hot. Yep. hot. Here we go. Going on. I'm pretty impressed. Nice, nice, nice. Maybe, well, I wish I'd had more. I just want to use that white for not something else, but that's not hot enough. To heat it up a more. So I'm almost turning it down a little bit because I'm worried it gets too hot. And I just use a skillet, as you can see. Picked up at the dollar store for like $3. So you don't have to buy an expensive one. A little bit more white in here. Let's see what it does when I use my little blowtorch. Where did I put it? That was right here. I need something in the middle there. In the middle. Let's see if we got some. Maybe. Where should I put white? It'd be cool to do a Dutch pour with this. If you have a lot of. Maybe just put all. Because this is already white underneath. Just use the whatchamacallit, interesting. It's got kind of like two different. That's that. I like this in here. I think it just needs to be melted off. Water is a mine. Red one. clear one on here. Okay. Brighten it up a bit. It forms cells, which is interesting. Look at that. That's not coming up so easy. A cloud effect. A little more torching, and then that's it. I think all of this quit, so it looks pretty neat to me. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Just wish I had more encaustic paint. Okie dokie. Second one. You want to see the first one? It's not quite dry yet. It looks like a hurricane. It's a little bubbly in the middle, but that's because of the inks. But it's, yeah, pretty neat anyway. Okay, let's do a close-up. Take you off the stand. Close-up. That's not, it's really hard to focus apparently. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to see another one of these, you need to subscribe and ring the bell so you can get notified when I make another super cool picture like this. Okay, have a good one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. See ya.